What's up guys, welcome back to DeFi Chronicles. In this video we're going to be farming Tapioca, which is a lending protocol currently running on Testnet. So again, as usual, our goal is to get involved with the project, being an early user, and hopefully receive an airdrop from getting involved with the project. So number one, you're going to be needing some Arbitrum Gurley. What you can do in case you don't have any Gurley tokens, you can go to DeFiChronicles.xyz/faucets, and here you can claim some faucet tokens. So you can filter Arbitrum Gurley, and you do have various options. You have Quick Node and Triangle Platform. You can add the network or claim your token. So for example, if I click here, I'll be redirected to Triangle Platform to claim some faucet tokens. So we can go ahead and remove that. Once you get here, you can connect your wallet and also go to Arbitrum Gurley. So here we're going to click on Mint. In case this is your first time using Tapioca, go to Testnet so you can claim some Testnet tokens. So for example, we do have WETH, GLPM. I already claimed some tokens there, so I'm going to do GLPM. I'm going to click Mint. And let's go ahead and do this, and we're going to be confirming the transaction right here. One quick second. And there you go. So we're going to be confirming. And now we would have 5,000 GLPM, which is coming from, GLPM is GMX, if I'm not mistaken. So let's go click and let's start. We're going to click on Mint so we can get some USDO, which is the token that we need to use to get involved with the project. So here we're going to go to WETH, and we're going to be supplying some of what we already have. We're going to click Mint, 50% here, and then 50% here for USDO, and we're going to click Mint. Let's click again. We do have to sign here and complete the transaction. Since I already did it, it looks like I don't need to sign the transaction. But again, if this is your first time, you will have to sign the transaction as usual whenever you're getting involved with the project. For the first time, it will ask you to sign the transaction. We're going to click confirm. Transaction is on its way. Okay, perfect. There you go. So we're going to go again, click let's start. So now I am supplying a little bit of WETH. As you can see, it says monthly interest. And now we can also double check my position. And again, this is running on Testnet, so whatever we're seeing here, it is completely for fake. It is fake money. So we're going to click on lending so I can lend some of my USDO. We go ahead and refresh just to make sure that it is seeing my tokens. And we're going to click here on GLPM USDO. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so it is saying it. Perfect. I'm going to do 50%. Lend. Let's go ahead and lend. So as you can see, I do need to sign the transaction. Signing, sign. And also we need to confirm the transaction. So as you can see, this is something that you can do in just a few minutes because we're under 4 minutes and we already minted, and we are right now lending some tokens. So perfect. This one is done. We're gonna go to borrow, so we can borrow against our collateral, and let's go ahead and do Matic GLPM to see. I don't have Matic GLPM, so it should be another one. Or what you can do is just come here to Mint, and you can select, for example, WETH, and you can do the same process and mint some USDO. Let's see what else we have. So I have Matic M, deposit, pay, mint some USDO. Let's double check lend. We also have to check teleport, which is something very interesting. You can also withdraw your position right here. So if I want to, I can just claim 50% or go with max. here. So I'm gonna do GLPM. Let's do 2000. And the other token that I want to do, let's go ahead and do Polygon Mumbai. I'm gonna do 50%. So as you can see, I'm using GLPM to claim on Polygon. So it is Polygon. I can also do it on Arbitrum Girly if I want to. Go ahead and do 50% again. Borrow. So as you can see, it is basically the same process that we did at first for WETH. Let's go ahead and sign. So we do need to do it 3 times because this is the first time that we're using that part, and now we have to complete the transaction. Almost done. And lastly, we're going to be reviewing Teleport, which is probably one of the best features that I've seen here because it is using layer 0 technology. It's perfect, great. Now let's go to Teleport. And here's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be transferring some tokens. So I'm going to choose, let's go ahead and do USDO. Let's do 50% from Arbitrum Girly to Polygon Mumbai. I'm gonna do Teleport. So basically what it will do is sending those USDO to Polygon Mumbai. Let's go ahead and confirm also. And there you go, as simple as that. Of course, it will take around 1 minute for us to receive it on Polygon Mumbai, but that's it. If you want to continue to add a little bit more volume, you can then switch to Polygon Mumbai and continue doing the same process. As for me, usually what I like to do is wait for maybe 2 to 3 weeks so I can come back and add more transaction. I usually don't do it in a single day, so it can look like I'm really getting involved with the project since everything is being recorded on the blockchain. So it is always good to maybe take a few swaps, add a little bit of liquidity now, and then come back maybe next month to continue to add more transaction on chain, because it is very important to be consistent with the amount of transaction that you're taking. Never take them the same day. So again, you do have to wait for a few weeks, then you come back to it and continue getting involved. So as you can see, so now we have our funds on Polygon Mumbai. So here it is. So again, we already use Minted, Borrow, Land, Teleport, and Testnet, which is the part for you to claim some faucet tokens. Currently, there is no other things that we can do on the project. So for now, we are completed in 8 minutes. So it is completely super simple. If you have any questions regarding how to use it, maybe if you run out on maybe any issues, you can always drop a comment and let me know how I can help you. If this content was helpful enough, please share it with a friend, subscribe, like. Talk to you later. Happy farming.